Let's watch TV.
Yes. Look, volcano. Oh no! Where is lava?
The lava is everywhere. I have an idea. Let's make our own volcano.
Yay!
Remember, kids, the safety is first. Our volcano is ready. There's only 3 ingredients: the vinegar, baking soda, and some paint.
And what about some glitter?
That's a good idea.